Hey everybody, Dave back here again from Advanced Dent Removal. Haven't done a video for a while, so just thought I'd make a new one here tonight. Got a 15 Mazda CX-5, got a pretty sharp, ugly little dent in the trunk. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing repaired. Okay, so here we are. This is the trunk of the CX-5. As you can see, it's got a little paint damage, and it's pretty obvious this has been backed into something. I am in the same boat as you guys right now. I'm just going to see if this actually comes out. I'm not 100% sure whether we're going to have a favorable result, but it's my job to try. Back again on the CX-5, and got dents looking pretty decent. Still got our paint damage. Nothing we can do with that. It's actually chipped through. But all in all, considering the damage that we had, we got a good result here. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.